All right, just an update. Did I say just an update? Just a reference video here. 2005 Chevy Silverado that I have. The tweeter, I don't know if you can see over there. Don't look at the stuff under it. Has a tweeter in the little side panels there. Driver's side one has quit. So for reference, you see the tweeter. It's the one I took out. It is a Bose. There's the number, made in China. I don't seem to find one on eBay or Amazon currently. There is some different type replacements, but here's the reference number for that. As you can see, it goes in my, this just clips in. It goes up here like so. You can see it's just got clips at the top to where it clips onto here. So the clips kind of hold it in place. Your wire is down here for the tweeter. It plugs in right there. And then like I see, this side piece just clips on. So this is it. And the tweeter actually just clips out of the back of that. So this piece actually just went in there like that. You've got little clips that allow you to take it out. But that's it. Little tweeter just slips in there like so. And this one is bad. I've got to find another one. I did find replacement that Amazon had for $89 each. $89 for the pair, which is really more than I was wanting to spend. I was hoping to just find a cheap replacement like this off eBay or something for a original, like so. This, as you can see, I've still got the original AC Delco radio in here. Still has, this was the Bose system, but still have the original speakers. I thinking about an upgrade in the future, so I really didn't want to spend another $100 just for a little tweeter when it sounds pretty good. I mean, it still sounds pretty good without it. I may just run it without it until I decide to upgrade. I found a whole radio system on Amazon, I think it was, or eBay, that you can replace this whole head unit. I was looking to see if there's any. This actually has a CD player still in it. Nothing really that you can't do without. Band, auxiliary, auto EQ. So that's all radio related other than the clock, and that's in the radio. But they have one that replaces in this hole right here. It actually has a navigation system in it, like some of the new stuff, and you've got Bluetooth and all of those items that will kind of make your older truck bring up into new standards with connecting your phone and everything through your radio system. So that's really what I was thinking about upgrading to. So don't know that I'm going to replace just this one tweeter. You get two for $89, but I don't really know if I want to spend that. If I'm going to spend $500-600 on a new radio and maybe upgrade the speakers. Like I say, this has the Bose system in it. Upgrade the speakers to something for today's standards. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to stick it on here for a reference to anybody trying to get that tweeter out. Like I say, it's just clips, two clips at the top. I don't think it even clips at the bottom. I guess it kind of clips in right there. Got some pads in there to keep it from rattling much. And then this clips up at the top. So that's it.